Good evening, everyone. Today is Monday evening, our meditation time. Last few months we were doing outside meditation, but today it is kind of a rainy evening, and we decided to do inside meditation. Thanks for everyone who joined with us online. We can start our meditation practice now. Please find a comfortable and relaxed posture. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. It is very important to sit quiet and relaxed posture. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. Relax your whole part of your body and see, are they relaxed? Relax, relax. Firstly, we can practice self-love. Self-love is important. It means you are going to take care of yourself, and also you are going to take care of others. Be kind to yourself. Be gentle to yourself. Develop your self-love. Think, may I be well? May I be happy? May I be peaceful? May I be able to take care of myself happily. May I be able to find noble friends. May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be free from worries, difficulties, anxiety, anger, jealousy, hatred. May I be free from all negative thoughts. Try to fill your heart full of love. Now we can send our loving and kind thoughts towards to your family members. Imagine your whole family members. Imagine their faces individually. If you have any difficult time with someone who lives with you, try to let it go. All my family members, be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to find noble friends. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be strong and healthy, mentally and physically. May my parents be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my husband or wife be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my sisters and brothers be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my children be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my grandparents and grandmothers be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. All my family members be free from difficulties, anxiety, worries, anger, jealousy, illness. May they be free from all negative thoughts. May all my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. In this moment, we are developing loving thoughts. You are the one of the loveliest person in this world, in this county, in this country. Your heart is full of love. Now we can send our loving thoughts towards to the world. So many things going on right now in this world. Many people are dying. Many people are facing so many difficult times. They are struggling with so many problems. As a loving community, we can send our kind thoughts. It can heal someone. It has beautiful energy to change someone, to affect someone. Send your loving thoughts without any discrimination. We all are human. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful, may they be able to find noble friends. May they be able to find healthy and peaceful environment. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now it is time to practice your unconditional love. Most people are thinking this is the hard part of loving kindness meditation, because we are going to focus our difficult ones, our annoying people. If you have any difficult people or annoying people in your life, imagine their faces. As a loving kindness practitioner, we can't skip this part. We have to focus them. We have to send loving and kind thoughts towards to them. No need to get anger thoughts. Just focus them. Try to develop your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to find noble friends. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. In this moment, we develop our loving and kind thoughts. We practice loving kindness meditation. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself, also to others. Now we can practice mindfulness breathing meditation. Take a few deep, long breaths and focus your natural, ordinary breath. No need to control your breathing. Just focus your natural, ordinary breath. Bring your attention to the tip of your nose. Take each breath mindfully. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully, breathe out mindfully. So many thoughts, sounds may distract you. Let them come and go. When you are breathing, you can see long breath in and out, also short breath in and out. When you see long breath, observe I am taking long breath. At the same time, when you see short breath, understand I am taking short breath. Where is your attention? Are you chasing thoughts or creating stories? Please come back to the breath. Mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Now slowly focus you inside. Try to understand nature of your mind. When you see you inside, You can see your skillful, your spiritual mind. Be grateful for your good mind. Try to develop your good thoughts, your good mind every day. Also, you can see your unskillful mind. No need to worry about it. Understanding is the most important thing. It means you can fix your bad mind, your negative mind. This meditation will help you to understand your mind, will help you to observe your mind. Then you can focus and you can fix your negative mind and you can develop your good mind. Please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, at least 5-10 minutes. May peace be with you. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Thank you so much. Open your eyes. Now monks are going to chant for all of you. We are going to chant Loving Kindness Sutta. It is one of very powerful and very famous chanting. You can listen in this chant lovingly and kindly. It explains about loving thoughts. You can practice loving kindness meditation during the chanting time. You can send your loving and kind thoughts towards to your loved ones. Listen in this chant lovingly and kindly. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagavārahං samma Vijja charana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuntaro purisa dhammasārat Deva manussanam buddho bhagavati swakato bhagavata dhammo san akaliko ehi pansiko panayiko panchattang veditam Viññoyeti supatipanno bhagavato sāvaka saṅgo sāvaka saṅgo ñāya patipanno bhagavato sāvaka saṅgo sāmeci patipanno Bhagavato sāvaka saṅgo yadidaṃ cattari purisa yugāni atta purisa esa bhagavato sāvaka saṅgo āhuneyo pāhuneyo dakhineyo anjali karaneyo anuttaram puññaṃ Etena sacca vajjena dukkha vupasamintu te Etena sacca vajjena bhaya vupasamintu te Etena sacca vajjena roga Karaniya matta kusalena yantan santam padang abhisamin Sakko ujuca sujuca suvaco chassa mudu anatimane san Subharoca appakiccoca sallavukavunti santindriyoca nipakoca appa Kulesu ananugendo naca kuddhan samacare kinci yena vinyo pare Sukhino vake minontu sabbe santa bhavantu sukhitanta ekecipana Tasavatavarāvānavase sadhigāvāye mahantavā majje Kānukatulādittāvāyeva andintāyecadu Vasanti avidure bhutava sambhave siva sabbe Sukhitanta naparo paranne kubbeta nati manyeta katta chinang Vyaroshana patiga sanyānānya manyassa dukkha minceya māt Yam puntaṃ āyusāyeka putta manuranke vampi sabbabhu Māna sambhāvaye aparimānam Tanca sabbhalokasmiṃ māna sambhāvaye aparimānam Undaṃ adoca tiriyaṃca asambhādaṃ averaṃ asapaṃ Tintaṃ charaṃ nisinno vāsayāno Yāvatassa vigatamindhu etaṃ satiṃ aditteya brahma vihāraṃ idamāudintiṃca anupagamma sīlavādassanena Kāmesu vinayage dannai jātu gabbase Yang punareti tena sacca vajjena dukkha Etena sacca vajjena bhaya samintu te Tena sacca vajjena Naroga upasamentu te sabbetiyo vivajjantu sabbarogo vinasatu Māte bhavattvantarayo sukhe digāyuko bhavatu sabba mangalam rakkantu sabba Sabba buddhanubhavena sada sotti bhavantu te bhavatu sabba mangalam rakkantu sabba devata sabba dhammanubhavena sada sotti bhavantu te bhavatu sabba mangalam rakkantu sabba Devata sabba sanghanubhavena sada bhavantu te nakkatta yakka bhutanam papagga nivarana parittas bhavena antu te sanupandave akasattaca mahindika punyantang anumoditva chiran rakantu sasanan akasat bummanta devanaga mahindika punyantang anumoditva chiran akasattha ca bummatta devanaga mahindika punyantang anumoditva chiran rakkantu tvam sadati. So today I was thinking to share with you about loving kindness meditation. We know most of times we are developing our loving thoughts, and also during our regular meditation times we are practicing loving thoughts. I could remember one time I was doing a meditation program at McHenry County College with students. There was many students, 10, 15, 20 students, and most of students did meditation very first time, and then after meditation they shared their experience about meditation. So most of them told me they really enjoyed meditation and they really like loving kindness meditation. Also they told me during loving kindness meditation they had kind of difficult time to share their loving thoughts with difficult ones. Usually we know our mind used to send loving thoughts to our loved ones, but when we are going to send our loving thoughts to difficult people, our mind is kind of thinking, I have to do this or not, because our mind is not to use to send our loving thoughts to our difficult ones. So many times people are sharing with us, it is kind of hard, it is kind of difficult. But as a meditation practitioner, we have to send our loving thoughts to our difficult ones. So we all have some kind of difficult ones in our life, some kind of enemies, some kind of annoying people. Many people have. When I'm asking this question from the people, they told me, Bhante, I do have some kind of difficult ones, some kind of annoying people. So when I am practicing meditation, however, I am sending my loving thoughts to them. But we have to think about them, we have to practice our loving thoughts towards them. So when I am thinking about my life as a monk, 18 years, I can't remember any kind of difficult ones in my life. So because of I don't have any kind of enemies, so I don't have any kind of difficult people in my life. So when I'm practicing loving kindness meditation, I don't have that problem because I don't have any. But so many people have this experience, they are having kind of difficult ones. We know it is hard, it is difficult to send our loving thoughts to them, but we have to practice it. When we are going to communicate with the people, it is very hard, it is very difficult. We have noble friends, sometimes we don't have. Because of the people, they are creating some kind of problem for us, some kind of difficult time for us. How they talk, how they behave, how they communicate with us, they are creating our upset, worry. That's why it is very important to understand how we can manage our thoughts. I could remember one of beautiful story. Maybe you know about Socrates. He was one of the great scientists. He was one of the great person who lived so many years ago. He has his wife was really annoying person. He was very angry person. Always he was yelling at Socrates without any reason. So one day she was acting same way. She was making Socrates anger, and she was yelling at Socrates. And what he did, he was just observing, and he was just be patient with her. Then after done her words, after done her argument, what did Socrates? He told her, "Today your words are really beautiful. I really enjoyed what you said. Today your action is totally different." Then after few seconds, time that situation totally changed. Socrates' wife start to laugh. Both start to laugh. That situation totally changed. Sometimes we have to be smart with the people who make you anger, who make you upset, who make you worry. We have to act something different way. We have to act very smart. Then we are not going to make any difficult one with your life. You are not going to make any enemies with your life. So that's why it is very important to think very smart. Also, most of times I was sharing about anger. If someone make you anger, if someone make you worry or upset, most of times what we do, we just focus that person's bad side, that person's bad emotions. If someone make you anger, if someone make you worry or sad, firstly you have to focus. If you want to relax your mind, if you want to calm down your mind, firstly try to think that person's good side. Who make you anger, who make you worry, or who make you upset, just focus that person's good behaviors. It is hard. Most of times our mind going to focus their bad side, but try to focus their good side, good behaviors. Try to think like that just few seconds. But you can